Hello, everybody. This is Unguided Podcast with Yusuf Haji here at Haji Daily on TikTok, Facebook, YouTube, and Twitter. With the just concluded U.S. African Summit in 2022, it was just held in Washington, D.C. There was a meeting of two of the most influential Somalis in the world. Both hail from East Africa, both Muslims, but with two different views on LGBTQ plus rights. On one corner, of course, is Congresswoman Ilhan Omar, who represents 5th Congressional District, that includes Minneapolis, and also the biggest LGBTQ advocates in the world. She has spoken on that. The other corner is Kenyan Defense Minister Adan Duale, who previously held the majority leader position in the Kenyan parliament. Adan Duale is a former majority leader who advocated to restrict LGBTQ rights in Kenya. As you know, majority of Kenyans do not hold the view on LGBTQ rights. Adan Duale has a huge support base, both from Muslims and Christians, on this specific issue that we're talking about right now. On the other hand, Ilhan stands on her fight for the LGBTQ rights and also supports her voter base in the districts and also the world. Here is Ilhan Omar retweet of Adan Duale tweet. This is from the meeting, as you know. There is Ilhan, there is Adan Duale. So it seems like a happy, joyful meeting. Jump in the conversation then. Have your say. Why we're continuing having this conversation here and also abroad. Don't kill the fifth estate. Yusuf Haji at Haji Daily, Unguided Podcast.